Now, open up your book and carefully listen to the poem Pollution, Pollution Everywhere on page number 20 and 21.
Pollution, pollution everywhere. When I stepped outside, I wanted to go back and hide. The noises, what a sound! Cars, buses, and motorcycles go round. I then saw a street with rubbish piled high. It was so high it could almost reach the sky. There was so much rubbish in the street. It made a nasty smell under my feet. I walked past a canal full of dirt. If you fell in, you would get hurt. The canal needed to be clean. It was such a horrible scene. Coming out of a bus, a cloud of smoke, there was so much that it made me choke. I had to run away. I just couldn't stay.
Okay, now let's come to the learning key. The poem that we just read is a rhyme. A rhyme is a short poem in which the last word in a line has the same sound as the last word in the next line. For example, if you look at the last two lines of the poem, away and stay are the last words in both of these lines and they have the same sound. Now, let's do an activity. Have you ever faced the same situation as in the poem? If you have, discuss it and write it down on the loose sheet.